What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. Happy New Year and happy first trading day of 2023. So I'm recording this with the market having 90 minutes left before it closes. But please remember, once this is uploaded, the markets will most likely have been closed. So don't try and jump into any trades based off this video. But as you can see, the first day of this year is very red. Very, very red. Tesla tanked, Apple tanked. To be honest, Tesla hit all my price targets today. We'll look into that in a minute. But the stocks have been dropping. SPY went from 386 all the way down to 378, and you'll see how we made money off that. But like I said, it has been a tragic day for those of you who were long on the first day. Now, fortunately, in the Discord, we were all shorting the market, and as you guys know, we love to live chat and live trade. So for those who tuned into the lounge today, congratulations, because we banked. Now, as I always say, guys, you trade whatever the market gives you. I mean, Tesla dropping to August 2020 lows, that is ridiculous. And remember, every time Elon Musk tweets or you hear news about him or this and that, please just have a look at Tesla, because this seems to be a trend nowadays. The other day we heard that he lost over $200 billion of net worth. And yeah, quite clearly, Tesla hasn't really responded positively to that news. So Apple here as well, struggling. Apple, I think it's like hit lows of 122. We'll look at that in a second as well. But for the first time since 2021, it is dropped below $2 trillion of market cap. Let's jump over to trading view now so we can kind of see all these things in a bit more detail, and then also look at the trade we took today in the Discord. In fact, I think it would be good to start off on the right note, a positive note, because we took a few different trades in the Discord today, all of them on the same stock, SPY, ticker symbol SPY. So the first trade I took was a SPY $381 put. Let's pull up the chart now. SPY $381 put. Meanwhile, SPY was sitting around 383 when we decided to do this. Now, as you can see, it hit lows of 377.88 today, which is crazy. That is not where we sold. But I mean, we got in at a pretty good price point. Here you can see it double topped and then sold off, kind of giving you the ideal scenario if you want to get into puts, failing to break above the moving averages crossing down, and getting rejected. There's three signs right there which showed you, hey, it's time to get into puts. So we ended up with about 45%. Well, I took profit about 45% off these 381 puts, and then I got into some more 380 puts. So actually, I'll show you on screen the 380 puts I took. So I traded it twice. The first time I got in at $1, the second time I got in at $1.17. And it took about 18 minutes to start profiting off this. I mean, just check this out. We were up 60% in no time. So just over $400 turned into $740 very quick. And I ended up cashing out at a solid 63%. So there we go, $300 made in about 19 minutes for my last trade. But like I mentioned, SPY dropped today. And for those who got into puts at market open, congratulations. I mean, we couldn't have seen this coming. I think the EMAs did crossover right there, which helped. And again, here was the second time. It definitely gave the confirmation we like. And of course, Tesla dropping and Apple dropping also contributed to this. So now I'm going to look at Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Wow, there we go. Apple $124, dropping almost 5% today. From highs of 131 all the way down to lows of 124.15. And if you zoom out, let's get a bigger idea of what's happening. Here we go. We are now broken below level of support. If we close below this level of support, I see more red coming, guys. So please just watch out for that. Tesla, similar story. My price targets, as I wrote in the Discord in the first watch list of this year, my price targets for Tesla were 110, 108, 104. We hit all of those today. Let's look intraday. Tesla's very clearly bearish, but let's look intraday. And it's still dropping right now as we speak. Remember, this is being recorded during market hours. So here, it started the day around 118 in no time. 3 huge red candles and a smaller red candle kind of just gave us a strong indication of what's happened today. Like I mentioned, it's been selling off recently, and today it's sold off aggressively again, dropping $16 intraday. At one point, it had dropped $19, guys. Tesla has been on a very bad run as of late. And I think long term, I know Elon Musk is very hopeful and positive on this, but it does have some potential for recovery. I mean, but overall, it has just tanked. Obviously, as you guys saw, it's at its lowest since August 2020. Remember that when it was really tanking in those days? But hey, Elon Musk is a crazy man, but he's also a genius. So we'll see how he influences this to start the uptrend again. I mean, they reported their numbers and it was pretty underwhelming, even though it beat expectations, if I remember correctly. But still, hey, it seemed to continue selling off aggressively. Now, I am looking at AMD and QQQ and the semiconductor sector because it is heavily oversold. Right now, it is heavily oversold. So AMD is at $63.70. I'm looking to get calls on this soon enough. So look, something similar to what we saw here. It drops and then it pushes up. It drops to around $63.70, pushes up to highs of $66.60. But now, this time I'm looking for my first price target of $65.29 and then $67.20. So keep AMD on your watch list. Also QQQ for this week. Also very oversold. And another stock, ETF, which you can take advantage of. It's currently sitting at 263 in this little zone here, the support zone. If you can push and break up, then hey, intraday, this could be good for a snipe. So keep watching that as well. And I did want to point out, guys, that we're still in a bear market. So any of these rallies you see overnight, especially, it don't mean anything. Look at what SPY did today. Here, I'll pull up the chart. Everyone who took SPY calls over the weekend was happy when market opened today. And before they knew it, it was sad times. So yeah, just keep looking at SPY and keep remembering that any of these little bull runs can happen at any time, but they're going to be short-lived rallies. That is my expectation, short-lived rallies. And I do expect to see some green momentum to start off the year. But again, very short-lived rallies. So on the other hand, if you are trying to swing, I'll probably swing to the downside more than the upside because before you know it, hey, here comes a downtrend. Happens quite a lot. It's happened quite a lot recently. So just beware of that. And then long term, don't forget stocks like Google because I think it's one of the most valuable companies that's publicly traded, but it's sitting at $89, which, let me put that in perspective for you guys, is way below its highs. Even if it gets up to $104, you're making a good return. If it gets back up to the highs of $123, another great return. And if it gets even higher than that, as it was back in April last year, $140 plus, you're making 60 to 70% returns. So keep Google on your watch list. Another stock I did want to look at right now was Snow, our SPX from the group. Snow has been downtrending, right? Pretty bearish, but you can kind of see the lower highs and the lower lows it's been making, right? It's kind of in this trend line. If we were to draw a trend line, it would be like that and like that. But at the same time, if you look intraday, I'll show you guys now. Similar to SPY, it has those little rallies and it can just jump up. Look how it jumped up from 140 all the way to highs of 149 overnight. Last Wednesday, 136 to 143 overnight. So beware of that. If you can find where it bottoms out and find support, maybe kind of around here, those jumps, those $6, $7 moves upwards could be very beneficial with the calls. So that's mainly it for today's video. I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update and just at least make a video on the first trading day of the year. It's only right? But I'm very happy with how today went. Please continue to rock with us on this channel. If you guys do know about this channel, it is a very educational channel, so there's a lot of content to be seen. If you guys don't know about this channel and you would like to know more, then please subscribe and of course hit the red button so you can never miss out on any videos. Personally, it's been great trading from other countries. As you guys know, the money doesn't stop wherever we go. And as you guys know, no matter which way the market goes, we make money. That's the most important thing. So please make sure you guys drop a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll just drop a few clips of me while I'm on vacay, so you guys can just enjoy those. Remember that's what we're chasing, guys: financial freedom, traveling, enjoying ourselves while also making money. So you guys have some stuff to try and get after this year. It's been a great start to the year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a comment as well. Like I said, these videos do take time, so it does help when you guys drop comments. And let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see. Please remember, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just creating content, just educational videos. So yeah, it's been a great day, great start to the year. We start as we mean to continue. That's exactly what we did today. And make sure you guys come check out the Discord. That's where I post my watch list, the call outs. That's where we live trade. That's where we chat. That's where we break down the charts. That's where we do all of that. So come check out the Royal Trading Academy, link in the description below. Also check out the Stock Option Starter Pack. That is a group of 10 videos in regards to trading options you guys can learn from each and every day. You have the access to those videos for life. And also check out my TikTok, guys. I've been uploading more recently. Gonna do some more stock stuff on there, done some travel stuff on there, so check out the TikTok. Also find me at Instagram and Twitter at The Wealth Prince. But that is it for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. That's it from me. I go into making, you go into making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.